So chapter 6, lesson 4. So in this video we're just going to look at different services that provide internet access, and then we're also going to look at the differences between the mobile networks 4G and 3G. But just remember to let me know if there's anything unclear in these videos. So what is ISDN? So what does this stand for? So it stands for Integrated Services Digital Network. So it's quite an old network that used to provide internet access. But even though it is still old, we're going to just discuss it just in case. It's a networking technology that allows the transfer of data over analog copper wire. It has speeds up to 64 kilobits per second per channel. So if it had 2 channels, the speed is just going to double. So 2 channels therefore would be up to 128 kilobits per second. It was popular in the 1990s and has been replaced by ADSL and S DSL networks. So ADSL and S DSL we are more familiar with, but just know these bullets just in case and the information in your textbook, because you could still get exam questions on this type of network. So what is ADSL? So ADSL stands for Asynchronous Digital Subscriber Line. It's also known as broadband. It has speeds around 100 megabytes per second. So the asynchronous, so the first part of the acronym, means that the download and upload speeds are different. So it works by unevenly splitting the balance between the upload and download speeds, and the download speed is always going to be faster than the upload speed. So you might have found that with your internet connection. Maybe if you're downloading a file, you might find it takes a lot faster. It's a lot faster to download a file than if you had to upload that same file onto the internet. So the download speed is faster than the upload speed. So this is ADSL. So what is SDSL? So you saw ADSL. The only difference here is that the A has now an S in its place. So the A stood for asynchronous. So the S stands for synchronous. So SDSL stands for Synchronous Digital Subscriber Line. It has the same transmission technology as ADSL, but the speeds are balanced. So in ADSL, the download speed was faster than the upload speed, but in SDSL, the upload speed and the download speed are exactly the same. And these are used by companies that upload and download the same amount of data. So the difference between ADSL and SDSL is that SDSL has the same upload and download speed, but ADSL has a faster download speed than its upload speed. So what is 3G and what is 4G? So we're just going to compare these two. So 3G is third generation networks. It has increased speeds up to 2 megabytes per second. It's allowing video transmission, gaming, and internet connection. So 4G stands for fourth generation networks. It is the latest technology. And in theory, it should have speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. And it has better video streaming facilities than 3G. Okay, so because it's faster connection, the streaming capability should be a lot better. Alright, so these are just the differences between 3G and 4G. Alright, so I hope that was okay. Please let me know if you have any questions.